Picture this, you're in class, staring at a tough math worksheet, struggling to add a long list of numbers. The clock is ticking, your pencil is tapping, and the pressure is on. Around you, classmates frown and scribble, all trying to keep up. Instinctively, you reach for your phone or calculator, hoping technology will save the day. But then, a kid next to you calmly closes his eyes, smiles, and blurts out the answer before you've even started typing. No hesitation, just pure confidence. That's Aaryan Shukla, a 14-year-old from India who's so fast with numbers he makes calculators look slow. His classmates watch in awe as he breezes through problems that stump even the teachers. He's earned the nickname Human Calculator Kid. It's not just a title, it's a badge of honor. While most of us are still figuring out where to start, Aaryan's already finished, his paper filled with answers. While others are still on the first question, his talent has stunned people worldwide. He sees math as a fun puzzle, not a challenge. What's amazing is his calm focus. No stress, just pure speed and accuracy. He zips through complex calculations like it's a race, always in the lead. Aaryan has turned mental math into an art form, a high-speed sport where he's the champion. He's proof that the human brain can outpace technology when passion meets practice. So next time you're stuck on a math problem, remember Aaryan, he's showing us all what's possible. This teenager from Maharashtra is just getting started. The world is watching to see what he'll do next. He's an inspiration, changing the world one calculation at a time. Maybe the next math superstar is sitting in your classroom right now. Most people dream of one Guinness World Record, just a single moment of glory, their name forever etched in history. But Aaryan Shukla didn't stop at one. He broke 6 world records in a single day, right in the heart of Dubai, stunning everyone who witnessed his incredible feat. One of his most jaw-dropping achievements? He mentally added 55-digit numbers in under 19 seconds, faster than most people can even read them. And he didn't stop there. He added 104-digit numbers in just over 30 seconds and then doubled the challenge. 200 numbers in a little over a minute, all in his head. Multiplying massive numbers? No problem. He set records for that too. His mind working with the speed and precision of a turbocharged computer, leaving even seasoned mathematicians in awe. At just 12 years old, he won the Mental Calculation World Cup in Germany, competing against the best from around the globe. And at 14, he returned to dominate the competition once again. He's even performed live on television, setting records with numbers flashing on the screen for only half a second. Barely enough time for most people to blink. The greater the pressure, the faster he seems to get. It's as if the challenge fuels his mind, pushing him to new heights every time. Now, he's not just a competitor. He's a founding board member of the Global Mental Calculators Association, helping to inspire and guide the next generation of mental athletes. At just 14, Aaryan is shaping the future of the sport, mentoring others and sharing his passion for mental calculation with the world. Every time you think he's reached his limit, he shatters expectations and sets a new record, raising the bar for everyone. Aaryan is truly in a league of his own. His achievements are nothing short of unbelievable, and he's only just getting started. You might think Aaryan is all math, all the time. His reputation for solving complex problems and cracking puzzles is legendary at school. But beneath the numbers and formulas, he's a regular 14-year-old too, just like any other kid his age. He loves video games, especially racing games, cricket matches with friends in the park, and getting lost in the pages of thrilling adventure books that spark his imagination. Whether he's celebrating a win after a cricket game or riding his bike around the neighborhood, Aaryan balances world-class talent with everyday fun and laughter. He can instantly tell you the day of the week for any date, just one of his quirky, mind-blowing skills that always amazes his friends and family. His family says he's humble and happy, and they make sure he enjoys a normal childhood filled with laughter, love, and plenty of time away from the spotlight. His parents aren't math whizzes themselves, but they support his passion, encourage his curiosity, and help keep life balanced between studies and play. He's proof you can be a genius and still enjoy the simple things, like board games, ice cream outings, and just hanging out with friends after school. Even world champions have to clean their rooms and help out at home. Aaryan's no exception. Aaryan's story shows you can be extraordinary and relatable, inspiring others while staying true to yourself. He's not defined by his gift. He's just a kid who loves what he does, always curious and eager to learn more. That's what makes him so cool and so inspiring to everyone around him. What's Aaryan's secret? It's not just talent, it's relentless practice and discipline. He trains 5 to 6 hours every day on top of schoolwork. That dedication sets him apart. But it's not just grinding through problems. Aaryan practices Sahaja Yoga meditation to stay calm and focused. In high-pressure competitions, his ability to tune out distractions is a true superpower. His family is his biggest support, making sure he has time to practice and time to be a kid. They encourage his hobbies and keep him grounded. Aaryan says his calculations feel instinctive now, like breathing. Years of practice have rewired his brain to see numbers differently. It's a blend of talent, hard work, mindfulness, and family support. That's the real secret behind the human calculator kid. Incredible. Aaryan's story is about more than math. It's about passion, hard work, and balance. He found what he loves and pursued it with everything he had. His journey proves that greatness is earned through daily effort, not just talent. He's not just smart, he's one of the hardest workers in the room. Aaryan also shows the importance of balance. He's a champion, but he's also a kid who enjoys life. His parents make sure he stays grounded and happy. Success isn't just about records, it's about being well-rounded. We may not all be human calculators, but we can learn from Aaryan's passion and discipline. He inspires others to follow their interests and work hard. With the right mindset, anything is possible. That's a formula for success we can all understand.